Calendly versus Doodle. In this video, we're going to be talking about these two incredible meeting scheduling softwares, and we're going to be talking about which one of these are better. Now, if you've scheduled anything via email over the last few years, you have received or sent a Calendly link. Definitely, all right? In the face of dozens of back and forth emails, Calendly streamlined the scheduling process amazingly, okay? And it gives you a proper professional way to show availability without exposing your whole career to the world. Now, debate on the power dynamics of the Calendly link aside, it's supremely popular and valuable meeting scheduler app. But it's not the only app on the block, and one of the most popular Calendly alternatives is the one and only Doodle. Now, I've used both of these platforms, and I'm going to be talking about them in great detail. So, I'm going to be sharing points like Calendly, which is specifically built for business, should definitely be used for people with businesses. Both apps do group scheduling well, but differently. Calendly offers a more generous free plan than Doodle, and Calendly also offers more business-centric integrations. But the best part is that they both integrate with Zapier, so obviously you have endless possibilities when it comes to automation. Now let's talk about Doodle and Calendly at a glance. Now, if you're looking for the quick version of Calendly versus Doodle, basically you can just go ahead and hear this quick comparison that I made for them. Calendly, when it comes to business features and customization, is built for business with a slick, professional design and extensive controls. Doodle, on the other hand, pivoting towards a business market, but depth of features continues to lag behind Calendly. Then we come over to the group scheduling feature. Okay, functions well, if not quite as intuitively as Doodle. But when it comes to Doodle's proper overview features, core feature with clear and upgraded visualizations are seen and given. Now, integrations, obviously, on the other hand, Calendly definitely takes the win because if we come over to the integration and app section, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just look at the big magnet apps that they have, and it's out of this world. But obviously, Doodle, on the other hand, provides us with a Zapier integration, which is pretty cool. But I would still go with Calendly on the integration part. Now, pricings, when it comes to both of these plans, I would definitely suggest Calendly as a cheaper opinion because free tier is available for one-on-one scheduling paid plans, okay? And the main paid plans start at $12 or $10 per seat per month. The Doodle plans, on the other hand, they do give you a free tier for group scheduling with ads, but paid plans start at $6.95 per user per month with not a lot of good features, in my opinion, okay? So obviously you are going to need the bigger plans. And obviously Calendly does go ahead and offer you a richer, more in-depth business feature, okay? You get proper scheduling settings and a whole lot more. Both apps do go ahead and offer excellent group scheduling, just with different angles to work along with. Each app's free plan reflects its core features, but Calendly's is much more generous. And generally, both apps work pretty incredibly when it comes to working with proper businesses. Now, in my personal opinion, if you do want to get a final verdict on which app should you use, if you run a small business or enterprise, Calendly is definitely the app for you. But if you're running a general task management system with small appointment schedulings, then Doodle is the plan for you. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this video. Do let me know down in the comments below which one of these two you chose for yourself personally. And also do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which video would you like to watch next. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.